I already, yeah, I'm cool with that. We can do a second one. Oh my god, is there a tornado coming?
No.
Are you sure?
Just a lot of wind.
That really, like, I almost fell over because of that wind. That was crazy.
70 mile an hour wind is good.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
70 mile an hour wind is almost at zero.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
One variable.
Oh my god. I love this time of year so much. Okay. On. Okay. Trying to get a good view for you guys. Okay, I should go back over here. That's the best view. Shit. Oh god. I love this time of year. Oh my god. Ah, shit! Perfect lighting now. Okay. Great. Look at those lights. Whoever is looking at this video for storms is like, who cares about the lights? But they're pretty, come on. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is the stuff I live for right here. Yeah, I know, right? I don't think it was recording in 4K. Well, that's cool too. We can just go ahead and stop it and then do a 4K.